I'm getting started today by taking my Pillsbury flaky layer biscuits, separating them into two, and then placing them right into my whoopie pie pan. Ooh-wee, or whoopie. So we're gonna lock and load these guys in here, just briefly pushing them down into our whoopie pie pan, you guys. Have you ever had a whoopie pie? You know, there are many things that you can use this for, and I love doing some fun little easy appetizers in my fun little whoopie pie, because who doesn't love just to say whoopie, right? Okay, so we're gonna bring over the bowl. I don't know, maybe just me. Okay, you guys, grab yourself 8 ounces of cream cheese, bam, right in the bowl there. Then we're gonna pair that up with some Jack cheese. I'm doing cheddar and Jack, this mix here, but you can totally choose whatever you want. I'm gonna pour, I don't know if I wanna do the whole entire bag. I'm gonna put almost the whole bag in there, so I'm gonna say about a cup and a half. Then we're gonna crank it up another notch with some bacon bits. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so you can make your own bacon if you want, but this is super easy, so I'm just grabbing these bacon bits. Now, once again, I thought, hey, you know what, I'm gonna get this big 9-ounce bag and see where it takes me. So I'm gonna put about half of it in, so I'd say about 4 ounces or so, which I think they sell like a 4.5 ounce or something bag. That would work great, because I just used about half of that. And now I'm gonna come in with my trusted fork here, and because that cream cheese is nice and softened, it's gonna be easy to mix this all together. So do yourself a favor, you guys, get your cream cheese out of your fridge plenty of time in advance. It will make your life so much easier. And I'm just gonna start to use this handy dandy fork here and mix this all around. I kind of just want to eat it like this. It'd probably be delicious. But we're gonna be patient here and give this a good mix. We'll be right back. And just like that, look at what a fabulous job we did. Fantastic. I couldn't have done it without you guys. All right, let's bring back in those biscuits. And now you better believe it, we are gonna stuff some of this cream cheese bacon, bam, right in there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna load these suckers up, you guys. It might not look like much now, but when this cream cheese starts to get warm and the cheese starts to melt with the bacon, you are in for a treat. These are fabulous. Everybody loves these, and you know what? They're just great finger foods. Nice, little savory and simple. Rolling with 4 ingredients here today, so all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stuff these bad boys up. Oh, I cannot wait. We have got some great stuff coming our way in about 12 minutes after we stick these suckers in the oven at 350. Stick around. When these come out, you are gonna see the way that cream cheese, it just like gives so much creaminess along with that cheese and the bacon. Bon appetit. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is just perfection right here, you guys. Look at the golden brown on the crust. We have the bacon, the cream cheese, and the cheese all in the center. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna take one up here. Look at how perfect those look. Just this little round circle of filled with the cream cheese. Now, I don't know, these are really still hot, but you'll be able to see that. See when I rip them apart? Look at all of that filling that just sinks right in there. Holy cow, I am so ready to dig these down, not just because I'm starving, but because I know that they're gonna be delicious. But first, I need David to come over here to give me a hand, because I think you're gonna really love these too, babe.
On my way.
All right, great. Okay. David better hurry, because I'm gonna scarf these things down before they're gone. Okay, they're good. He made it just in time. All right, which one are you gonna choose?
I'm gonna take this one right here.
Okay, I'm gonna choose the one that I already ripped apart, because we cannot let that go to waste.
Okay.
Oh, look at that cheesiness. All right, cheers. Oh my gosh. That is creamy and cheesy.
Amazing.
And the bacon bits, I mean, like I said, you wanna make your own bacon, go for it. But the bacon bits work so good, and not only that, they're like super small pieces. So they work so great in this, you guys. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna change up. I bet you could do a million things with this. I would love to hear your suggestions in the comments, you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. We really do appreciate it. We'll see you later. Enjoy.